Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to delete a SEMrush account in 2024. Whether you're done with SEMrush or you're just switching to another platform, it's very important to know how to safely close your account. So I'll be walking you through the steps to ensure your account is fully deleted without any issues, including like payments or anything like that. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, we'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, go to the URL section. In here, make sure to go and type semrush.com and hit the enter button. Once you do so, you'll be taken here. Of course, if it's your first time, or I don't know, you didn't log in for a long time, you'll find yourself in this page. So you can go to this top right corner, click on login to log in into your account, as you can see, and you'll be able to log in into your account right away. Of course, you'll be able to use, as you can see here, a Google account if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of logging in into your account. And if you don't have an account yet, of course, you'll need to go and create an account. But since you are in this video, you would like to delete your SEMrush account, so you definitely have an account. So as an example in here, now we are right here. So the first thing that we'll need to do is, first of all, if you have a plan. If you have a plan, you'll need to go and cancel this before even trying to delete your account. And of course, to do so, if you go to the top right corner, as example, or basically you'll need to go to the subscription info and cancel your subscription if applicable, if you have a subscription. So just go to, as example, to your top right corner, like profile in here, and click on that. And as you can see, you'll find like subscription info right here. So go and click on that. Once you click in here, as you can see, you'll find yourself in summary, billing info, payment, API units, some other stuff that might be interesting for you. For us, of course, we'll need to go to billing info in here, as you can see. So you can enter your bill informations when purchasing SEMrush subscription in here, and you have no link card for me. So for you, you would like to delete or unlink any cards linked. Also remove any subscription in here that you have. Just go, and if you have like a paid plan, you'll need to cancel your subscription before proceed to delete your account. As an example in this page, here you can even find like payments in here, an example maybe. So anything that you find, just go and cancel it on all those 4 tabs, as an example. Just anything that you find, go and delete it or remove it. And of course, you can simply just follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. And other than that, you'll need, of course, to delete your account, you'll need to contact like the SEMrush support, because SEMrush does not offer a direct delete account button. So if we go to your profile at the top right corner again, and we go here, an example, click on, I don't know, manage users. So we'll find ourselves here, nothing in here. If we go to this left panel and my profile and click on profile settings, as you can see in here, we'll just find like the email and etc. So account info. We click on email, we'll find email. Password, as an example, if you have any password, we'll find this right here. And for security, as an example, we can enable the 2-factor authentication. So as you can see, there is no option to delete your account, right? So as I said, to delete your account, since like SEMrush does not support directly or doesn't have directly like a delete account to account button. So to delete your account completely, you'll need to contact their customer support. You can visit the SEMrush contact us page. You either have to go to the top to a new tab, as example, and just type SEMrush example. I don't know, contacts us page, just type that and hit the first link as example, you'll be able to take in here. Or you either have to go to the bottom of any page that you are in, like SEMrush, and simply look for contact us. So example here, SEMrush, like all those stuffs, help, community, more tools, company as example. So if you go here, as it seems, in company, below like the last option is contact us. So if you go and click on it, as you can see, you'll be taken to the same page in here. So either you open a new tab and type contact us page on SEMrush, or you go to the footer, go to company, scroll down and click on contact us. So both of them will take you right here to this place. And here, what you'll need to do basically, As you can see here, you can request a session with our experts if you want. This is not what we want. Here you can reach out to sales, as you can see, to get to know how to upgrade and customize SEMrush for your needs. This is how our team will be in touch shortly to demonstrate SEMrush features and actions. So these two, we will not need it. Here, an example, want to find an answer yourself, learn how to use, as an example, SEMrush with user manual, frequently asked questions, videos, and more. This is not what we want as well. And we will find here, finally need help. So contact us to get your issue resolved as soon as possible. So this is what you need, and you can simply just go and click on contact support. Once you do so, you'll find yourself in here on this left panel. And here, basically, you either have to ask a question, like, for example, how to delete, like, as example, my account, and just wait an example for the AI to answer us or something like that. Of course, if AI cannot answer, like a person working in there will be answering. And as you can see, they'll tell you you can delete your account at any time by sending a request to our support team via contact form. Please make sure that you include an email associated with your account. And of course, you can find more about deleting your account in the terms of service here, where you can of course read. You can simply look for delete account. You can type or hit and control F in your PC or keyboard and type delete like account. So okay, delete like user, it's fine, it's the same. So an example here, the registration, you may delete your user account and it's at any time by sending a request through this form. So let's just open it on the side. And as you can see, if you delete your user account, SEMrush may delete all your data and information stored in SEMrush servers, and SEMrush will bear no responsibility for the deletion or loss of such data or information. Even if you delete your user account, you agree to pay all fees incurred prior to or to deregistration until paid in full. And yeah, so if you agree to all of that, as you can see, we just have to click on that link and this will take you in here. In here, you'll have to fill up basically why or all the information is here. Example, so ask questions, reports problem, or support team will be answered in within 1 business day. So you'll have to enter your name, your contact email. How can we help you? So, example, let's just see what should we choose in here. So, as example, others. Issue description. I want to delete my accounts, and of course, let's just include like the email of the account again. So you can, let's just say your email is test@gmail.com. And yeah, of course, if you need more any other like informations to add, why, example, etc., you can simply add this here. You can attach any files, but that's not necessary in our case of deleting. Then click on submit, and you should be good to go. They'll respond to you at least or within 1 business day, and they should of course delete your account. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.